In this tutorial, we will explore the direct data downloader service from Jakarto. Go to jakartowns.jakarto.com and click on View Datasets. To become familiar with point clouds, we are going to download a public dataset. Just click on the public dataset to download the point cloud. The point cloud contains 22 million points. There are many 3D software that lets you view it. We will use Cloud Compare for this demonstration. Loading time depends on the capacity of your machine. This point cloud is the digital twin from the Training and Research Center on Emergency Services in the region of Waterloo, Ontario. The points are colored according to the classification of objects carried out by Jakarto. Different analysis can be done using the tools available in the 3D software. In this example, we will simply measure the distance between two signposts. This example illustrates a tiny portion of the potential to be exploited by working directly with 3D point clouds. If you are a surveyor, urban planner, or even an architect, it can be interesting for you to download urban areas Jakarto has already digitized. The direct download service is reserved for certain users. Contact us to get your access. Once your access is approved, it is possible to use the service. The convex halls of point clouds created by Jakarto are displayed. Zoom in on the sector that interests you, then use the drawing tools to get the list of point clouds. Although it is possible to download the complete list, downloading a single point cloud can sometimes be enough. For that, locate the one which seems most suitable to you, identified by its yellow highlight, and then click the download button. Please wait for the download to complete. The point clouds produced by Jakarto are relatively large. The point cloud we just downloaded contains about 40 million points. This time, the color of the points is linked to their acquisition date. It is possible to modify these colors, asking 3D software to display the intensity of points. These point clouds can therefore serve as a working base for making your models, plan your interventions on site, collect time-stamped and georeference information, or even carry out technical analysis from your office. In short, new possibilities open up to you thanks to Jakarto.